Welcome to Mexico City, a place where history and culture come alive. Today, we invite you to experience an unforgettable journey through two of the city's most iconic landmarks, Chapultepec Castle and the National Museum of Anthropology. Your adventure begins with a scenic drive along Paseo de la Reforma, a grand boulevard adorned with stunning monuments and lush greenery. Next, ascend the historic Chapultepec Hill to visit Chapultepec Castle, a majestic structure that has served as a residence for viceroys, Emperor Maximilian of Habsburg, and Mexican presidents. Explore its opulent chambers and enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the city. The journey continues at the world-renowned National Museum of Anthropology. Discover a treasure trove of pre-Hispanic artifacts from ancient Mesoamerican civilizations, including the Aztecs and Mayans. Join us for an adventure that combines history, culture, and sustainability. Chapultepec Castle and the National Museum of Anthropology await you. Book your spot now and explore the heart of Mexico City like never before. Book now by clicking the link in the description below or visit vibeadventures.com.